Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for checking out Brian's Toy Haven. I got my toy hunters here, Dylan, Tristan, Ava. You can't see them because the camera's too high to get me in the picture. But we're out here reviewing the Air Hogs Hyper Disc. You guys might have saw this in our surprise package from Spin Master. So we're going to be out here testing this. It's kind of a windy day, so we'll see how it goes. Whoa, I don't want my camera to blow over. You hold that still. But we're going to be checking this out and see what we can come up with. All right, friends, we're right here. I got the toy hunter, Dylan. He's got the saucer, the hyper disc. We've blown it up. I got toy hunter mom with our other camera going to be capturing from a long distance angle. And then I'm going to try to catch it in slow-mo from this camera as well. So we're going to start playing with it and show you what we got. Folks, we're going to try test number 2. Dylan, are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, throw.
Oh my God! Oh, get it! Oh, get it! Oh, get it!
Alrighty, friends, we're here for the final test number 4. I got the kids downfield. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1. No, Tristan. Throw it to me, Tristan. Throw it to me. Throw it to me. No. Come right here. Throw it. There you go. Get it, Dylan, get it. Get it, Dylan. Alrighty, friends, there you go. We hope you enjoyed our test flights of the Hyper Disc from Air Hogs by Spin Master. Tristan, do you like this thing?
Yeah.
Dylan, you like this thing?
But next time, we're going to try on a not so windy day.
Not so windy day.
Yeah, because it flew all over.
I'll have to check my video and see what we got on camera, but this thing went all the way down to the end of the street to that iron gate over there that you see. So I had to actually jump in my car and go get it. So it definitely works, man. This thing flies with the wind really good. So, all right, guys, thanks again, Spin Master, for the Air Hogs. We got 2 more Air Hogs videos coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned to Brian's Toy Haven. You can see it's a little cloudy in the distance. We're getting some rain here in a little bit, so we're going to call it quits today, and we're going to come back when it's not so windy to check out these other 2 Air Hogs toys we got. But make sure you get... What?
It's another ladybug.
Another ladybug. So make sure you guys give us a thumbs up, leave some comments below. We're so excited about these Air Hogs. This was the first time we've ever toy demoed these, tested them out. So very cool stuff. All right, guys, thanks for checking out Brian's Toy Haven. As always, we'll catch y'all later.